today we're gonna make chocolate cookies! Yay! Let's get started, but first check out the white button and see you subscribe in our video. Let's get started on this. Let's do it. Yeah. We're gonna put this on this. Butter and egg. 30 seconds. Then break it. Whatever. Ooh, so nice. Look at the egg. Broken. Nom nom nom. Feels so yummy. Make sure there's no eggshells in here. Okay, let's put it in the bowl now. Ready, set, go! Now we need to mix it like this. Your dough needs to look like this. See that, you guys? This thing. You're gonna need a tablespoon. A spoon or anything you have. Okay, we need to do it this. We put this thing on here and we put it very sticky. 350 degrees. We're gonna make it for 8 minutes. It should look like this. And disgusting. Those are so good. We're gonna eat the cookies when we're done. Say, let's eat them right now. See if they're good. This one. Mmm! You did a very good job. Mmm. Mmm. It's so good. I hope you guys try it. Like and subscribe in our videos to see you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Well, bye-bye! And see my video next time. Comments below. If you like my video, just put the subscribe button. Bye!